Hi buddies, welcome back. And today I'm going to show you how you can screen record on your Google Pixel 8. For that, you want to go to your drop down menu and then swipe to your right, and then you have screen record here. Click on it and then it says start recording. While you're recording, Android has access to anything visible on your screen or played on your device. So be careful with things like passwords, payment details, messages, photos, and audio and video. Alright, so we can say what we want to record audio, device audio, microphone, or both. We want to say both, as we also want to record my voice. And then we can also say to show touches on the screen, and then we can say start. And then we get a little countdown. We got a little sound, and now it's recording. It should also record my voice, hopefully. And if we go to our drop-down menu, we can only say to stop it. So we're going to do that. If we say stop, now it vibrated again. And if we go to our photos now and we go to our library, we have movies here, and then we also have our screen recording here. So you also hear my voice. I will pause it, and when we click on it, we can edit it. So we can crop it, adjust it, put filters on it. So that's how you can screen record on your Google Pixel 8. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. I say thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.